Hey guys, today I will show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you notice, the incognito mode is now hidden, unlike where it used to be before. Now let me show you how to find it. As you can see, we have successfully turned on incognito mode on our YouTube app. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.